Asian suitcase, equipped with a beacon bracelet, you can achieve intelligent fold-up. The bottom of the suitcase is independently suspended. SR5 has applied a variety of sensors, such as acoustic waves and infrared range. Smart app can be used for immersion viewing or smart remote control. The SR5 has a capacity of 30 liters and is 20-inch in size. The cabotage is made of ABS and PC trimmer bare material. The side is designed with LED breathing light strips. The suitcase lock adopts TSA customer password lock in many countries. The zipper is made of Japanese Waikiki zipper. The aluminum alloy lever has 3 gear positions to adjust. The built-in battery pack can pass the aviation security check. It also has the design of the